What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have a huge announcement coming. April 2nd will be the release of our second sample pack. It is Lit Lord's Hybrid Sound Kit Volume 1. This is a custom kit dedicated to the sounds that you might find in our records like Ride, My Mind, The Beast, and so on forth. It's super amazing. We spent a lot of time designing this. We've got custom drums, custom vocals, serum patches, and lots more. And this is going to be the official walkthrough right here. So we're going to dive in and go through some of the stuff that's going to be in the sound kit. Here we go. So here we are in Ableton. Let's just right off the bat, let's just demo out some of the drums here. So we've got 808s, we've got kicks, we've got snares, and a couple of bonus little percussion stuff that's really just more like feel stuff, that, you know, special effects sort of cool stuff. So let's dive into some of the kick drums. The kick drums are designed to hit hard. They've got a lot of belly to them, and they're nice and punchy. So let's get a listen to them. Here we go. Here we've got the bootlicker kick. We've got the bricks kick. And you see that they're just very punchy, but they also have this kind of bottom end to them that is designed that way. It's designed that way. When you put them with, you know, sub basses or 808s, they just really slice through the mix and slice through that 808, especially when you bring in some sidechain compression that's done right. Here goes the cherry kick, dice kick, extortion kick, fatso. Ooh, ooh. Very nice. Let's take a look at some of the snares here. The beautiful snare. Gorgeous. Those are some of the snares right there. Just very trappy, very hybrid. They're designed to just snap and cut through the mix. This stuff is designed to cut through the mix. That's what's so important, because when you have all these big fat sounds in your mix down, as far as, you know, in the drop section, or some of these big brass sounds, or whatever that may be, whatever you may find in your project, you want some drum samples that are going to cut through the mix and be heard and be sort of, you know, known, like that's that snare, you know what I'm saying? So let's check out some of the 808s here. The Blimp Pimp, Boosted, Chubby Chaser, oof, Chubby Chaser Short, Defeat, Guts, oof, that's probably my favorite. It's nice. Hachu, Jabba, Jet, and just a nice pure sine wave for you to use. I use this pure sine wave in like 100% of my songs, so I thought I'd, you know, spread that gift over to you. Let's check out some of the big brass sounds that you might hear in a lot of our songs that are designed to, once again, cut through the mix, be heard. Check it out. Big ass brass. Very proud of those. They came out really nice. Let's check out some of the vocal chants. We've got some nice little vocal chants here.
All love, big wins. Come and try me. Come and try me. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Cluck, cluck, cluck. Ha. Hard sound, hard sound. Hard trap. Hard trap.
Yeah.
Hard trap.
Yeah, we've got some really cool stuff. The really cool vocal chants did them right here. We've got some vocal strips. You have to get the pack in and check out the vocal scripts on your own. They're pretty fucking hilarious. Moving on, we've got some serum patches. So we've got serum patches and some serum snapshots, which are basically like one shots or mini loops and stuff like that. So let's check out some of the serum snapshots. Presets are included for all these snapshots. Check them out. Here we go. Here's some of the hybrid sounds here. Baby Woo. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Big Robo. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, filthy. Ooh. So this is just some awesome sounds that you will definitely find in songs like The Beast, Ride, My Mind, Fire Drill, like just the thick sustains, thick wobbles, just stuff that's going to tear your door down, tear your face off, and keep that stank face going. Even then, we've got a lot of requests. I had a lot of requests from the previous sample pack, the Screech pack, where I was like, you know, I don't have Cylinth 1, you know, can you do some stuff in Serum? In this pack, I have some screeches custom designed for you, Serum Presets, Lit Lord Screeches in Serum right here as a bonus for you guys. So let's check out some of these here. This is some of the screech shots here. We've got Buzzed. Whew. Oh yeah. Just thick. Ooh. Very cool. So you've got all the stuff you need to sit here and take your inspiration that you might be inspired from one of our songs, and this kit is going to, you know, give you the tools to enable you to, you know, act on that inspiration and get a really authentic sound straight from the source. I'm super excited to unveil this to you guys and gals, and it's going to be out April 2nd, and I hope you pick it up. It's going to be a great addition to your sample libraries, and I hope you create some awesome music with it. Lastly, check out this song right here that I used making this sound kit. Here we go.
I'ma shoot this, I sound, they saying no, saying no, saying no.